and their business as far as this investigative hearing is concerned, and the eventual request on their part for closed door. I am here for open door in all sincerity, and I'm averse to anything closed. Anything closed, I'm averse to it. I'm here for open engagement for the Nigerians to see. I am here on behalf of Nigerians, and I want Nigerians to share in what we are doing for the purpose of transparency and accountability of it. I have indeed promoted uncountable bills that were passed by the National Assembly, deepening the transparency and accountability process of the government of President Muhammadu Buhari, and the idea of closed door for me does not arise at all, as far as this investigative hearing is concerned. Arising from those questions, the committee seeks details of information on whistleblowers and associated recoveries processed by the Office of the Attorney General. And I have taken pains, Mr. Chairman, to produce what I call Table 2, that comprises of annexures A to I, which indeed provided a comprehensive detail of the whistleblowers and associated recoveries. So the documents that are to be shared, Mr. Chairman, will give you a general insight as to the information on whistleblowers and associated recoveries processed by the Office of the Attorney General, and you will find them accordingly incorporated. So for notice purposes, a response to questions 1 to 5 of the first letter are developed and contained in Table 2. And in Table 2, you have in support thereof annexures A to I. The whistleblower policy is indeed coordinated by the Federal Ministry of Finance. For your information, Federal Ministry of Finance, Budget and National Planning is the coordinator of the whistleblowing policy, and all payments to whistleblowers are made by the Federal Ministry of Finance, Budget and National Planning, and it is a pole position to provide further details. It is to be noted that the whistleblowing thrive on confidentiality and protection of information. Therefore, disclosing the details of the whistleblowers at a public hearing breaches confidentiality provision of which the Office of the Attorney General was committed to, arising from the whistleblowers on account of their personal security and the national security. So arising from that consideration, I have taken pains to develop the information, taking into consideration the confidentiality element of it, but then providing same for the consideration of the committee exclusively. For the information of the committee, the Office of the Attorney General do not maintain the custody of an account. All accounts associated with the recoveries, generally speaking, are being maintained by the central bank and are being often on the request of the Office of the Attorney General and then open on the directives of the Office of the Accountant General. As far as being a signatory or in any way being responsible in the management of such accounts is concerned, the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation is in no way connected whatsoever. So whatever information that may be required as it relates to the details of the signatories, details of the management, details of the disbursement associated with the account, I suggest that the Federal Ministry of Finance, the Office of the Accountant General, and the central bank are the exclusive custodians, managers, and the operators of the account, and not the Office of the Attorney General.